Hi friends, myself Dipjyoti from Vriddhi Eduhub. So in this video, I will explain builder design pattern. Okay. So what is builder design pattern? So builder design pattern is a creational design pattern which separates the construction of complex from its representation. मतलब क्या है? सपोज तुमको एक क्लास बनाना पड़ेगा जो क्लास में बहुत सारा प्रॉपर्टी है। वो उसका जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो प्रॉपर्टी आप लोग क्या कर सकते, वो प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ा एक एक करके बिल्डअप कर सकते। सपोज मैं एक एग्जांपल दूं, एक कॉफी क्लास से कॉफी क्लास। कॉफी 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 में शुगर होता है, शुगर नहीं भी होता है। कॉफी में क्रीम हो सकता है, क्रीम नहीं हो सकता है। सो जब जिसका शुगर चाहिए वो शुगर ऐड करेंगे, जिसका ये चाहिए, जिसका क्रीम चाहिए वो उसी हिसाब से क्रीम ऐड करेंगे। सो there are certain format how can coffee class can be built up, right? So in this pattern we can use the builder design pattern. So builder design pattern क्या करता है, एक एक करके जैसा जैसा चाहिए, तुमको जो चाहिए उसी हिसाब से हम लोग पूरा ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे। जो प्रॉपर्टी तुमको चाहिए वो प्रॉपर्टी दे दो, उसी हिसाब से वो डेवलप होगा। ओके, मैं कोडिंग पे आती हूँ थोड़ा बाद, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इट? सो इट्स अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएशन, ओके, एंड ऑल्सो इट सेपरेट्स द कंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम रिप्रेजेंटेशन। ऑब्वियसली रिप्रेजेंटेशन के साथ ये कंस्ट्रक्शन का थोड़ा अलग है, कैसे बिल्डअप करेंगे मैं दिखाती हूँ कोड में, ठीक है। और इम्प्रूव्स रीडेबिलिटी एंड कंट्रोल ऑब्वियसली। एंड देन सो नाउ गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। सो बिल्डर डिजाइन पैटर्न कौन सा केस में यूज होता है, इसके पहले हम लोग को थोड़ा कोड देख लेते हैं, ठीक है। सो कंपोनेंट्स क्या है, इसका कंपोनेंट्स है एक बिल्डर होगा, जो बिल्डअप मतलब थोड़ा स्टेप्स है, जो स्टेप्स वो कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रिएट करना होता, ठीक है। एक कॉन्क्रीट बिल्डर है, एक डायरेक्टर है और एक प्रोडक्ट, राइट। नाउ जंप टू द कोड। ओके ओके, सो what I am doing here, uh, I am creating a notification message class. Okay, so that message should have some recipient. Okay, it may have a message, right? I can tell, better I can tell it's a title, and better I can tell it's a body. Like some message have some title, some message have some body. Okay, and also it may have a higher priority or it may not have a higher priority, right? So is high priority. Okay, it's a boolean. So recipient, title, body, and also if I can put any cc, or as it is a notification message, so better I can include a date time also, right? Date time, that is sent at that time. Okay, now tell me, नोटिफिकेशन मैसेज जो सेंड करेगा वो तो ऐसा सेंड कर सकते हैं, सो ओनली रिसिपेंट और बॉडी दे के छोड़ देंगे, हाई प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे, टाइटल नहीं देंगे। कोई आदमी आएगा, वो बोला, वो बोलेगा मैं नोटिफिकेशन मैसेज बनाऊंगा, मैं नोटिफिकेशन मैसेज का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाऊंगा, उस पर बॉडी नहीं दूंगा, उस पर टाइटल नहीं, टाइटल दूंगा, रिसिपेंट नहीं दूंगा, ऐसा ऐसा करके दूंगा। मतलब बहुत सारा परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन है। तो हम लोग इसको कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं अभी अभी के लिए? तो पहले ये इसको एक काम कर लेते हैं, इसका एक कंस्ट्रक्टर बना लेते हैं। जो कंस्ट्रक्टर काम करेगा, इसको प्रायोरिटी सेट, मतलब इसको सारे चीज सेट करने के लिए, ठीक है। एक काम करते हैं, सारे प्रॉपर्टी दे देना, देन string title, string body, and date time and bool high priority, right? If we put this data, obviously what it will do, it will assign those things, right? That means these dot recipient equal to recipient. Fine. Next, okay, done. Fine. Now what happened? Okay, let me do it. Okay. Now this is a simple constructor, and also like as because we have to show the message, so we can do some function public void display message. Okay, what it will do? It will just print. Okay, simple print console dot write line. Okay, I can print every data actually. Okay, so better I can put that recipient colon recipient. Okay, now in the next line, okay, better I can put at the rate, that will be easy to be, and just a dollar. That's all. Fine. So this is recipient. Okay, let me do it here. Now what happens? Title. Oh, it's showing like that. Okay, no issue. Title. This is the body. Okay, now send it. Send that, and whether it's a high priority or not, right? Fine. That's all. Got it? Now fine. Now we can create this notification message. To create that notification message, what we need? We need a builder interface. Okay. Let's create a item I notification builder. Okay. This is a interface. Okay. And that interface, what it will do? It will it will return a two like what is that? String recipient. Okay, recipient. Okay, simply like that I can put some another data, like say with title. With title, let's give the title here. Simply I can put here something like that with the body. With body, similarly like here I can paste another thing, that is schedule at date time, uh, date time, any variable, and simply like with high priority, high priority. Okay, bull is high priority. Okay, fine. And another property we need, what it will do, it will it has all the this property, and what it will do, it will build a notification message. Okay, that means build function. Okay, now what is the use of this interface? I will show you. We need to create another class, that is notification builder. Okay, what it will do, it will implement that one, and that is, it is getting added. Fine. So because we have the recipient and all, what it can we do? Because build and everything we have to deploy, we have to create. Just a minute, I am telling you. So पहले देखो, इधर एक टू प्रॉपर्टी है. सो इसके लिए हम लोग एक काम करते, इधर एक प्राइवेट वेरिएबल ले लेते, प्राइवेट स्ट्रिंग अंडरस्कोर ओके सॉरी recipient. Okay, now similarly ऐसा एक दे सकते, प्राइवेट स्ट्रिंग अंडरस्कोर बॉडी. फाइन, बॉडी हो गया. नेक्स्ट हो गया, नेक्स्ट है बॉडी के बाद टाइटल. राइट, टाइटल भी हो सकता है. तो एक काम करते हैं, इसको टाइटल कर देते हैं, टाइटल टाइटल. ओके, एंड इसके बाद और एक है डेट टाइम. तो ये डेट टाइम को ले लेते हैं, ये डेट टाइम ऐसा डेट टाइम होगा. ठीक है, और एक है हाई प्रायोरिटी. राइट, बुल high priority. Okay, now what we can do, we can first assign these. Okay, this is the date time, right? So we can first assign this date time to this date, and then we can return this. It is very important, this line. क्यों important मैं थोड़ा बताती हूँ, एक मिनट रुको. So this underscore body underscore body नहीं, underscore recipient. Fine, or then return this. Okay, in similar manner we can do it here, underscore body. Fine, high priority with high priority is high priority, right? Simply here like that, title. So title, फाइन. एंड बिल करने के टाइम पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये बिल करने के टाइम पे जस्ट एक ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे. कौन सा? नोटिफिकेशन मैसेज. कौन कौन पास करेगा? फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है रिसिपेंट, तो रिसिपेंट पास कर देते हैं, रिसिपेंट. ओके, आई थिंक टू इट हैज. एक काम करते हैं, कौन सा वाला? रिसिपेंट अंडरस्कोर रिसिपेंट. राइट, देन इसके बाद अंडरस्कोर टाइटल. फाइन, इसके बाद अंडरस्कोर बॉडी. राइट, इसके बाद अंडरस्कोर सेंड शेड्यूल डेट टाइम. राइट, इसके बाद अंडरस्कोर हाई प्रायोरिटी. फाइन, आई थिंक थोड़ा एक मिनट देखना पड़ेगा, एरर क्यों दिखा रहा है. रिसिपेंट इज नॉट नल हियर. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. I did miss that. Okay. Now the thing is, it is just what it is doing. It is just building that object. Okay. Now what happened? How to call this? Okay. In the program.cs. In the program.cs, you can say I want a custom message. Okay. How can I do? I am telling, look, I am calling the notification builder. Okay. Then I am passing, I am just setting the to. Okay. To which person? To Deep. Okay. I am setting Oh, okay. Let's go put that title. Okay, I am putting that title. Uh, Custom title. Custom title. Okay, I am putting with body. With body. Look, I am putting that body. Hello world. Okay, this is my body, and then I am mentioning. Look, this is my high priority. Make it true. Okay, and I don't want to put the date. Let's put the date time also, not a issue. Schedule at, oh okay, sorry, with I think what is that name, with title, with body, to schedule at. Okay, there's a schedule at, right? Yeah, okay, schedule at date time dot now. Okay, and then build. What happens actually? Then I'm just printing that custom message. Okay, console dot write line custom message dot display. This function I am calling. That's all. Oh, it already is consoling, right? Console dot write line. Then we do not know want that. Okay, that's all. Let's call that. Let's run that. Okay, look, it is showing, right, properly. Now, how does it work actually? It works like when you are doing that builder dot to, what it is doing, it is going to that function and it is setting that recipient, and once it is setting the recipient, it is returning the object. So what happens here, first I am recalling this, that means it is returning an object. Again on that object I am adding the title. Again on that object I am adding the body. That's why that return this is very important. That means every property I am setting it down here, and then we are returning the whole object, right? And that's why we need a I notification builder. Like after every property set, I am trying to return the whole object, right? And once all the object properties getting setted, I am trying to build it. And once I build it, then I am getting the proper needed object at. Okay, so when I am getting this the very last line, like if you just see, I'm just doing one thing. Let me comment it down. If you hover on it, look, this is still I notification builder, because still it is a builder only. Once I build it, what it is written, it returns once I build it, it returns a notification message. And once we got the notification message, we are just calling it down. Okay. So let's switch to the PPT again. So when we can use that builder design pattern, when object creation involves many steps, right? Many steps are there, and constructor are become complex, and there are many representation. Like it may have a title, it may have a body. Suppose if you think about the coffee class, it may have a cream, it may not have a cream. It may have a sugar, it may not have a sugar. It may be black or it may be white. Anything it can be done, right? So many options are there. In that case, you need to select the builder design pattern to create the object. Okay. Now, what are the examples? So you can, for the report generation, and also for the meal ordering system, for the documentation, or more and more cases, you can use the builder design pattern. Okay. So uh, this is the video, and thanks for watching this, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, so that I am very much enthusiastic and I can also publish so many videos so that you will be helpful on that. Okay, thank you very much.